Namaste. Hello, my dear beautiful viewers. How are you all doing today? I welcome you all to your channel. This is your host, SHIVAANSH. Those who are new to my channel, thank you so very much for tuning in. All right. So today, I have so many downloads, guys. Before coming on camera, I was calling on onto my Holy Spirit, like, hey, my guide, my support. You gave me so many downloads, and I don't know, like, from where to start and where to stop. It was more like this, guys. The psychic downloads are very strong at this point in time. All right, so it may be possible that very less tarot card reading you may be seeing, or and more psychic messages you may be getting. Messages like, small quotations, or how psychic messages comes. Psychic messages comes through signs and synchronicities. All right, that will keep repeating in front of you. uh, 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 Something that will keep repeating. All right. If you are seeing some message videos, psychic message videos, all right, then you'll keep seeing that psychic message videos coming in front of you from multiple sources. So these are ways of talking to you by the divine. All right, your Holy Spirit is trying to communicate with you. I see a lot of restlessness in you. All right, because I was not feeling restless. It's like more of like curious with the downloads. So you may be feeling like that, too many informations are coming from too many different channel, and I don't know what to believe and what not. So you may tend to get confused. All right, but what I'm trying to tell you is that what is meant for you will keep repeating. That means you will have to go more deeper now to read between the lines. Are you getting me? Say, for an example, I said, I'm sorry. All right, let's say I'm sorry. So you heard this, I'm sorry, but I have said I'm sorry with 10 different things. All right, but something I said, like, say, I'm sorry, you're doing good. Wait, not like this. How to say this? This is very tricky. Oh, my DM today really is tricking me. These downloads are very heavy. All right, in order to accept, sustain, and preserve it, you will really need that frequency. So I'm trying to make you understand in a simple way with some examples, like say, for an example, you keep receiving quotations. All right, quotations where it's written, I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. All right, but it is coming with multiple different messages, but what is more prominent for you will speak in between. All right, read between the lines. It's all between, in between. So something is happening in between, and I don't know what is happening in between. For me, I feel more like fifth dimension to third dimension, because what I'm seeing in my vision is something is returning. All right, you see, something is returning on earth from the higher realm. All right, it's like army is returning. Yeah, it's something like army is returning for your rescue. Okay, so a lot many informations will come. All right, say, for an example, some of you are very much connected to Jesus. All right, so you may keep seeing Jesus or post from Bible. Are you getting me what I'm saying? Then some of you may say, like, very much connected to Archangel Michael. So you may be seeing a lot of big feathers, or any post where you will see feathers, or Archangel himself with a sword, or something like related to sword, something like that. So what is this sword? Whatever the sword energy is, it will automatically speak to you. All right, so that way, the signs and synchronicities, if you have been hearing a lot of like crow or birds, then you will keep seeing some kind of post or quotations, or something will come in front of you more about birds, or you'll see birds flying in group, in bunch, something like that. Okay, That means something will happen to you that you will not be able to actually ignore. All right. I'll tell you about me. I have been doing the psychic messages, and since the time I have been doing psychic messages, I'm not the same person anymore, to be honest. The things that I experience it's really, really abnormal at times. So, I have been seeing like kind of rainbow light, all right, rainbow light connected to neon light, then connected to some different kind of light. It's like multi-dimensional lights are coming in, all right, coming into earth. All right, so something is taking place in between. I feel so because you know what, I have been saying this 8, infinite, infinite, infinite. I have been saying 8 for about a week now, but for the last 3 days it's like peeping on in front of me like anything 8. And then I saw what this 8 is, in my spirit, and that's the download that I got for you today. And interestingly, I was shuffling the card, and when I stopped shuffling, the bottom of the card is number 5, unity. It says, do the right thing for the right reason. Compare traditional versus new approaches to see which works for you. A spiritual minded community. So no coincidence that I received this message, because I'm talking about in between. There is something taking place between the 5th dimension, 4th dimension, and 5th dimension, 4th dimension, and 3rd dimension. So there is this comparison between traditional values and a realistic approach, or let's say even more higher approach, where you are connecting to more of your faith, your inner self, more of your trust, hope, whatever it works for you, however it works for you. Hence you are seeing this kind of messages more, like your soul is pulling you towards the right source that you belong. Infinite, I have been saying infinity, infinity, infinity. All right, so something is coming. If I'm talking about life lessons, karmic ties, this and that, all gone. All right, no karmic, nothing. Okay, I'm not connecting to that energy. I'm connecting to an energy like those who has already shedded their old skin, has absolutely risen like a phoenix, all right, and has ascended to a different dimension altogether. Now these spirits are vibrating in a higher frequency and coming back, all right, for the rescue of the mass, and for the unity, all right, for the peace of Mother Earth. And during this process, all right, yes, you're going to hear the right thing. During this process, many of you are going to come in union. Okay, so that's infinity, because you have already paid your karmic debts. A very big, huge army is working at your back, and you may be one of those armies. You never know. It is coming to you like a validation. All right. So this group that is rising like a phoenix, out of which you may be one of them, the power that you are going to get right now is going to take you by surprise. All right, you paid your karmic debts, you have sacrificed enough, you have finally restored your peace and harmony. It is just that you are a bit anxious, a bit like curious, like excited about like what is going to happen. I have been getting this chills, goosebumps, this downloads, and are you kidding me? You are getting that restlessness, but that is not in a bad way. All right, it is just the force that you are getting, because what this force is going to do on you is that it's going to restore passion, restore love, restore healing, restore retreat, restore rejuvenation, restore something that is going to be a soul nourishment. All right, if you are observing, I am tongue twisting, all right, because multiple beings are talking through me right now. Secondly, I have got this habit for some time now. Sometimes I'm speaking in Spanish, all right, sometimes I'm speaking in different other language that I have never been associated with in this lifetime. So I know what is happening, because my soul DNA is carrying some of the memories from the past, where in one of my lifetime I was Spanish also. All right, so I say gracias like anything, like it's like it's just comes out. All right, so you are going to experience something supernatural, something really spiritual. You will know that this is not ordinary. There is something big is going on. You will get those nudge. All right, so what I'm trying to tell you, these messages are coming for you from the spirit guide today, that it's a confirmation for some of you that the karmic debts are paid off, your sacrifices are done, lessons learned. All right, and this energy is now going to restore that innocence within you, that childlike energy within you, so that you will start to feel revived. All right, you will feel regained your courage, confidence, esteem. All right, and you will be feeling like something new. All right, you will start to feel something new, and accordingly you will be able to charge in your life journey. Some of you are actually on the verge of starting all over again, like, say, for example, that we say second innings. All right, some of you are going to start as a second innings. Yeah, you're coming out of all the second innings. You see 0, that's Fool card, the dreamer. All right, it says embrace your true purpose, begin a new adventure, trust yourself. Nothing in this universe is a coincidence. I will keep looking for these validations. So you have been really dead tired. I have been seeing 9 of Wands a lot. You have been feeling really Ace of Spring. All right, so I'm telling you, you guys are going to experience really very much healing. All right, very much healing, very much compassionate, empathetic, full of zeal, drive within you. All right, at this point in time, universe advices for you is that listen to positive songs, positive affirmations. All right, because these are last moment thing where just one don't try to excuse yourself. Yeah, that's the right word. Don't try to give excuses to yourself. Rather come in the energy of acceptance, like the way the situation is right now. All right, say for an example, you are actually not feeling the way I am saying. All right, so you are not just like I'm asking you to take it. I'm asking you to, yeah, I'm not been feeling good, but if my messages are giving you some kind of boost, then you should take it. Take this energy. Yeah, she's right. I mean, I should be feeling in that energy, not sitting like a Debbie Downer. All right, not taking care of myself. All right, I should be vibing in that positive energy. So even if you are vibing in that 9 of Wands energy before coming to my reading, and nothing of this messages is resonating with you, but what's the harm in accepting these messages? Because I'm not speaking something that is not going to help you or help you grow or prosper, right? These messages will definitely help you, provided you are willing to accept this. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Accept everything the way it is coming towards you. So if you have to accept, you have to know what you are getting attracted to. All right, that's what I'm trying to tell you. That means you are at a point right now. That means whatever you're going to choose as per your higher knowledge and wisdom is going to pave a path, will create your destiny. So there I am. Our Father in heaven has sent me to bring forth these messages for you, because the download, the energy that is coming towards you, it's this way or that way, done. Dharma, adharma. All right, so what you choose? Choose who is speaking about God, or choose who is speaking about evil. Choose now. Choose wisely. All right, always try to choose positive. Pick up the positive things. Try to implement that in your life. Be acceptance, be open, be receptive, and then see magic, how it takes place in your life. Okay, so these are your messages for today. And as I say that I have been saying infinite, so as this energy is going to come. That's why I am probably coming with this message, that the time that you'll have, universe is going to lift you up from the crossroad, and you have to be very, very vigilant, calm, and composed to actually perceive the things the way it is, accepting it, honing in that energy. And it is up to you only to choose things wisely, and making the right choices is, you know what is good and evil. By now you know this, what is good and evil. So choose wisely and stay in that energy, be accepted, have that acceptance, be receptive, be flexible, be open, and let that energy come into you, and then you will see magic. All right, it is going to happen. It's prophetic. I'm telling you this. All right, and it's like this: choose wisely, dharma adharma. So if you are choosing wrong, you will not even come to my channel after this. I'm telling you this because I have set up an intention, and I'm telling you, I have been losing subscriber like anything because I don't need. Get out. All right, I have set up that energy in my channels also. These are like my kind of protecting my own channel, my own family. This is my tree of life. All right, so I have lost a lot of subscribers, and I'm so happy. And you know what, interestingly, new subscribers are coming in. So I know those who are hearing me out, this messages speaks to you. All right, this messages are like kind of food for your soul. All right, and when you accept this, believe in this, sustain it. So what is Lord Shiva has been doing all through this time? Lord Shiva has been trying to destroy the dark side, the shadow side within you. All right, now the role of Vishnu is playing. All right, so what is Vishnu does? He's a sustainer, right? So when the sustainer will come, you will have to by then let go of the past energies, anxious or fearful, doubtful energies. All right, then when you get that positive energy, stay with that energy, sustain that energy within you for some time, so that Vishnu energy can work on you. And when the Vishnu energy will start working on you, you will come out like a Brahma, a creator himself or herself. And that's how you will be able to rewrite your destiny. I hope this messages has helped you in some way, shape or form. Until we meet again, I am sending across much love and light to you all. Om Namah Shivaya. Stay blessed and in peace. Bye-bye.